My name is Sukian Cervantes, and the topic of my lesson is about the Industrial Revolution. The objectives are recognize the technological changes, identify the mainly causes and effects, and analyze the impact of the Industrial Revolution. This lesson is for students of 8th grade, and I'm gonna work with a constructivist and significant learning approach to respond to the standard that is recognize myself as a social and historic human being, active member of organizations, builder of a legacy that generates national and global identity and that remains through the time. And for the first activity, the warming up, I'm gonna do a brainstorm about the inventions of the last 3 years and the impact of these inventions. So I'm gonna show to the students different images about the technology used in the 17th and early 18th centuries and the technological advances in the Industrial Revolution in 18th century. Then I'm gonna ask to the students some questions like who invented these new machines and artifacts, in which year were created, and why do you think these were created? And to answer these questions, the students will find in the classroom some envelopes with the answers, and they will socialize the answers. Um, for development of the activities, I'm going to explain to the students the context in which these machines were created and introduce the topic of the Industrial Revolution using a video about the causes and effects of this revolution. And students will ask some questions and their concerns about the video. After that, using the strategy of the round table, I'm going to start a conversation with the students about all the aspects and circumstances that take to the people to evolve to the evolution and the change and the innovation using the reference of the video that they have watched. For the group practice, students will be in groups of 5 and they will answer with arguments these 3 questions that are, if can we say that these last years have been an industrial revolution and why? Um, to make a list about 5 invents or of the industrial revolution, comparing them with the technological means that we have currently. And after that, the question that if you think that the industrial revolutions have influence in economics and in politics and why. For the individual practice, every student will prepare a small exhibition about unknown or curious aspects and related to a character of the Industrial Revolution, exposing their inventions. For the assessment, the students will design a mental map using just images and keywords about the contextual causes that involve the Industrial Revolution. Then they will write a paragraph about the actual Industrial Revolution, and for the homework, they will create a brief video about the mothers and fathers of the actual machines, like the cars, the cell phones, the trains, or the light bulbs. And with this lesson, the students will be able to compare the evolution process that the humanity has had, and they will learn about the contextual causes and the motivations that takes the humanity to evolve. And I think that is important to find a strong relation between the concepts addressed in the class with the current events and facts of the context, and first to make to awake the motivation of the students, and in this way the students will find importance in learn and know about social science for that they can be critical and analytic persons in the future. Thank you.